can't. I just cannot stop. This is, I'm gonna be walking around all day like this, just like a crazy woman. Like, I love my hair. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now, y'all know I like to experiment with my hair and try different colors. Well, I haven't tried different colors with my natural hair, but like with my units and my wigs, I do like to go in and try different colors. But this time I was like, you know what? I want to do something a little different with my own natural hair. Besides heat damage, I am also terrified of getting damage due to like bleaching my hair and coloring my hair. I've had that happen to me when I was relaxed, so I did learn my lessons. So because of that, I'm like, okay, how can I go in and experiment with different colors without actually damaging my hair? And not saying that everyone who applies like bleach and coloring in their hair is damaging their hair or does damage their hair, because some people do know how to keep up with that and to make sure that their hair stays moisturized and healthy while they have the color in their hair. I don't think I'm one of those people. Not yet anyway. I'm just still kind of like iffy about that. So for you ladies and gents that do like to experiment with hair color and want to do something a little different without damaging your hair, there's an alternative. This is a temporary hair color. And what I use today to achieve this color is the L'Oreal liquid chalk in the color Bronze Baby. I did go ahead and use a whole bottle of this, and y'all, I'm in love. I don't know what else to say. I like this so much. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get every color that they have to offer, whether it be purple or pink or whatever, because yeah, I like experimenting. Okay, so if you guys see me come on here with pink hair, you know what happened. And I'm also gonna be inserting some clips of the hair color in the sun, because I don't think, you know, the lighting of this video does this color justice. I want you guys to see exactly how beautiful the color really is. So I'm gonna insert some clips of me outside in the sun, and look how beautiful and bright and just vibrant the color is. Now, just letting you know, this will last through a couple of shampoos. I think it said 2 to 3 shampoos. Then you'll see the color fade, but it depends on your hair. All right, so before I get into exactly what I did to achieve this hair color and how I distributed the liquid chalk throughout my strands, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of seconds just to subscribe to my channel. Why not? You're here. It's right there. It's super easy and it's free, so why not? All right, just hit that subscription button real quick. And check out my description box if you want to purchase the liquid chalk from L'Oreal. And I did pay my own coin for this. This was not sent to me. This is not sponsored. Okay, just letting you know, FYI. Hey y'all, okay, I know I'm looking a little crazy. You guys haven't seen me like this and without, you know, the hair and the makeup. We family, all right? We here, so don't mind all this, all right? So let's get started. So I'm going to take the liquid chalk and I'm just going to read the instructions really quick. It says directions to wear gloves or wash hands after each application. Shake bottle well with cap on before each use. Apply to desired areas of clean, dry hair with a cotton pad. I'm not going to do it with a cotton pad. I'm just going to go in and dip it into the bowl, but you'll see. Comb through for even distribution. Blow dry colored areas immediately after each application. And the reason why I have my hair in twists is because I feel like it'll be easier to distribute the product in my hair with the twist like this. All right, so I'm not gonna color the whole twist. I think I'm just gonna go in and do like mostly the end of it, like this much. But if you want to do it in all of your hair, you can do that, but that's not the look I'm going for. All right, so you're gonna need your blow dryer, gloves, a little plastic bowl like this, and of course the hair chalk, so you can put this in here, and like a little comb just to comb the product and distribute it. Make sure that all the strands are coated with the color. And also, I would recommend you wear like a shirt that you don't really care about, because I think this can get messy. Shake this up really well like the instructions said. Let's hope this is not a fail. Put this in here. I don't like the smell. Yeah. All right, so let's start back here. Just gonna take the twist and dip it into the color. Hope I'm not putting too much. Now I'm just gonna unravel the ends and just make sure that my strands are coated with the color. Can y'all see the color? So far, so good. I think I colored way more than just the ends. Uh-oh. That's fine. Just gonna do the same thing, unravel the ends and just make sure that this just distributed evenly. Just letting you know, I am using a blow dryer to set this product in my hair to make sure that it locks in and that it doesn't transfer. And the setting on my blow dryer is on cool low. Y'all know how I feel about heat, okay? Wow, this is like super duper dry. Just to prove to you that this does not transfer after the product dries in your hair, just wanted to show you guys my fingers. See? Yeah, nothing. Wow. But just a warning, this product does dry your hair out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style my hair and re-moisturize because I can't walk around with dry hair. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the back. So far, I'm really liking the color. Just gonna go in with some water and seal that in with my Blue Magic. But when I'm applying the products to my hair, I'm gonna make sure not to be too heavy-handed, especially with the back, okay? All right, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. I'm eager to see how this is gonna turn out in the morning. So I will let this set overnight and I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the takedown. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times, right? So I'm just gonna unravel the twist and separate like I usually do. I like it. Yo, so far my twist out is popping, and I think the trim that I did in my previous video has something to do with the way this is turning out. Like, this is one of the most popping twist outs I have ever achieved. Like, wow. Hair trims are definitely necessary, okay? If you don't know what I'm talking about, see my previous video. I'll leave it here on the screen somewhere or down in my description box. All right, so yeah, let me go in and start fluffing because I want more volume. Let me show you guys the back. Yes. As much as I would love to leave my hair down, I am on vacation and it is hot and humid and I'm gonna be in pools all day swimming with my boys. So I think it's best to put this up in a puff. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm just gonna do the usual. Just start to form this up into my puff. I really want to leave this out though, but yeah, I mean, because I sweat, you know, and I have oily skin. I do not want hair on my face. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's hot and humid, y'all, so y'all stay hydrated and y'all stay cool, okay? Until next time, bye.